Like a lot of people are like, oh, I want to, lose 50 pounds or like walk 10 miles every day or something like that. No, I'm a busy brain. And what I mean by that is I start working on something and then like I hear the UPS guy come. Then I go down to the door and I open up the box and then I do this. And then I'm like, oh, I need to take the trash out too. A lot of people might call this ADD.
Start taking Ritalin.
Yeah. Well, I'm doing what Scott's going to do.
Yeah, you're doing what Scott wants to do.
Yeah, Scott and I, we've already talked about this. We're on the same page. My thing that I'm really pushing for this year is to start something and finish it before I go on. So like, for example, I was working on my one-day project YouTube videos I was working on. It's like 5 one-day projects or whatever. I was like, okay, I have it all filmed. It's like roughly edited. I just need to do the voiceover and then like upload it to YouTube and then I'll be done. I started to work on the next project and I was like, no, do the voiceover.
Wise choice.
Put it on YouTube unlisted. Do the description. Put the plans online. Do all the different thumbnails.
Yeah.
Like literally have it done.
Yeah.
And then go to the next one. And dude, it felt so much better. And I'm not good at that.
I'm very bad at that as well. But I've had to be very strict with myself because, well, let's be honest, there are parts of the project that are way more fun than other parts. And doing the voiceover and writing the video description, it's like, that's not as fun as actually going into the shop and building the thing or doing all those parts. Like, yeah. So it's very easy to be like, I'll do that later and I'm going to start filming the next video because that's a little bit more fun and enticing.
It'll take 5 minutes. No, it takes forever.